Hello everyone, I'm Caitlin Bailey from Satellite Beach Recreation, and today we're going to be doing a fun experiment meant for a caterpillar. After reading The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle, you have read how this caterpillar has ate through so many things, including leaves, fruits and vegetables, and many other yummy stuff. So we are going to be putting these leaves to the test with this experiment. The materials you will need today are some different colored leaves, a big bowl, some coffee filters, a butter knife, rubbing alcohol, a pair of scissors, some saran wrap, and cups are jars with lids. After all of your leaves have been collected, you will want to get as many jars or cups as you have leaves. Then you will want to cut them up or rip them apart in very tiny pieces. We will be doing 5 different experiments with these 5 leaves. I will be doing 3 with glass jars and lids and 2 with cups and saran wrap. These are what all of my leaves look like after I rip them up into small bits. Next, we need to pour some rubbing alcohol on the leaves, but just enough to cover them. As you can see, some of our rubbing alcohol is already changing color. Now I will be adding lids onto these jars, and onto the cups, I will be sealing them with plastic wrap. Now fill up a bowl or pan with hot water and stick your leaves inside. I have 3 in this one and the 2 cups in this one. To hold it down, I put saran wrap on top. Now we wait 1 hour. Make sure that your water stays hot while this process is going on. Chlorophyll is the chemical in leaves that make them green in color. In spring and summer, where there is a lot of sunlight, the chemical absorbs energy from the sun and turns it to carbon dioxide and water into sugar and starch. However, during the fall and winter, when there isn't much sunlight, the leaves stop making food and the chlorophyll breaks down, making the green color disappear. The other colors of the leaves begin to show, such as red, orange, yellow, and gold. As the leaf is changing colors, the stem is also changing. 1 hour later. I have just unwrapped my plants, and you can see some of the alcohol in these have changed color, and some of them have changed color a little bit less. So now what we are going to do is we will need some coffee filters. Using this coffee filter, I'm going to cut out little slits in the paper, and so we can fit them in our little jars and our cups. Now, with using a teaspoon, I'm going to get a little bit of the liquid so that we can add some drops to the very tip of our coffee filter. After you have done this, we will place it inside and we will wait about 30 minutes and check to see what has happened. 30 minutes later. Did you know that leaves alone account for 75% of our solid waste in the fall? The oils in some leaves have said to have healing properties, used in aromatherapy to alleviate headaches or to repel insects. When the wind blows, if the stem is dry, the leaf falls to the ground. That's why trees become bare in autumn. Some examples of these trees are oak, maple, birch, and elm. The leaf is one of the most important parts of the plant. Leaves produce food for the plant through a process called photosynthesis. These leaves of different plants vary widely in size, shape, and color. Autumn leaves in Europe tend to be mostly yellow, but in the US and East Asia, they seem to favor red. Red and purple leaves are actually caused by the presence of sugars from the sap that's trapped inside of their leaves. Please share with us with @PlaySatelliteBeach. What colors did you make with leaves today? Thank you so much for joining me today with Play Satellite Beach in partnership with the Satellite Beach Library. Please check the links below for more information on this project.